Hi everyone, I'm Kendra Campbell-Borja, your local real estate advisor with eXp Realty, and today we're tackling a big question. Should you renovate your home or just sell it? This decision can be tricky, so let's break it down into 3 things to consider. Ready? Let's dive in. Consider the type of renovation. Not all renos are created equal. Think about whether you're making cosmetic changes like painting and flooring, or major updates like a new kitchen or bathroom. Cosmetic changes are usually quicker and less expensive, but might not drastically increase your home's value. Major renovations, on the other hand, can be pricey, require permits, and they can be time-consuming, but they often add significant value to your home. Ask yourself, will this renovation meet your needs and improve your quality of life? And is it something buyers in your area are looking for? Which brings me to point number 2. If you're planning to stick around for a while, investing in renovations can make sense. You can choose styles or decorations that perfectly suit you and your family, and you won't need to worry about what a potential buyer may think. You'll get to enjoy the upgrades yourself, and you won't have to worry about recouping costs immediately. But if you're thinking about moving in, let's say, the next 3 to 5 years, proceed with caution. You want to ensure that the money you put into renovations will come back to you when you sell. Let's talk about return on investment, or ROI. This is crucial. Before you start any renovation, research how much value it's likely to add to your home. Some projects, like the above-mentioned kitchen or bathroom remodel, have a high return on investment, while others may not. Talk to a local realtor, like me, to get a sense of what buyers in your area are looking for and the market trends in your neighborhood. Are home prices going up, or sellers having to lower their price? And will your renovation plans help or hurt your bottom line? Remember, your goal in any renovation is to make smart improvements that will add value to your home, no matter when you plan to sell. Your dream home may in fact be the one you're living in, or it might be time to see if that renovation budget can help you find the perfect home elsewhere. So to recap, when deciding between renovating or selling, consider the type of renovation, how long you'll stay in the home, and the return on investment. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to reach out. I get this question all the time. I'd love to help you make the best decision for your situation. And just because I'm a realtor doesn't mean I will always tell you to sell. For some of you, it may be better to stay, and it's always a matter of understanding your home ownership goals. I look forward to connecting with you. Click the link in the description below or scan the QR code on the following page to set up an appointment today.